Hello everybody, as you can see I've got a load of beer to unbox. It's beer monster o'clock and I'm rather excited because I've got 2 boxes of beer. I just thought I'd open them quickly and I'll show you what I got. And yeah, these will be coming up on the channel to be reviewed in the coming weeks or coming month or so, because there's quite a few here. It's going to take a while to get through them all. Yeah, I've got them from Beers of Europe. It's my first ever order from there. So let's see what we get. Alright, I'm going to have to put this box on the chair and just sort of take them out one at a time. Right. A little bit unorganised here. There's my receipt. Right, let's grab them out. Number 1, Tyskie, but it's the Polish version of Tyskie. I brought this because I want to put it up against the UK version. This is 5.5% version. Apparently a lot better. Right, just gonna have to sort of speed fire through these, isn't I? Superboc Abadia, Portugal lager. What percent's that one? 6.4% version of Superboc. Not tried that. Could be interesting. What else we got here? Astra Trip or something. I don't know. 4.9% ABV, that one. Right. Oh, this one looks rather interesting. God, I'm having fun pronouncing this one. Let's go for Queen Ludwig Weissbier. I believe that's a German Weissbier. That is 5.5%. Looks lovely. I'm looking forward to that one. Do like a Weissbier. And we have Kronbacher Weizen. And that is 5.3% ABV. What else we got? Franziskaner Premium Crystal Weissbier, I think. Just like the labels come off from the bottom, so I can't tell you how strong it is. Oh yeah, it's 5% ABV, same as the regular Franziskaner. I think they just make it clear or something, but I've not tried a Crystal Weizen, so it'd be rude not to give it a go, wouldn't it? For this one, we got Quilmes Cerveza Argentina, so it's an Argentinian lager. Thought it'd be nice to explore the world a bit and see what the rest of the world has got to offer when it comes to lagers. Just sort of organise these on the table a bit, otherwise I'm going to regret it later. Right. Get the camera down a bit so you can see. Right. We have another Franziskaner Weissbier. It's the Dunkel version, which I've never tried. So it'll be interesting to see what I make of that. 5% ABV again. Got a lovely old Frankie, ain't you? What's he got here? Brewery Koingshof or something, pills. It looks like a German Pilsen to me, 4.8% ABV. We got Budel's Organic Lager, 5% ABV. Organic and pure beer. I can't remember where that was from, to be honest. But yeah, I'll go into it deeper when I review it, won't I? So much beer. So much beer. We have a Helles Volbeer Lagerbeer Hell. Close up with that one. Yeah, there's going to be some right interesting ones here. So, struggling to find beers in the shop, so this just had to be done. Imported Caribbean beer, Banks Caribbean Lager. That'd be an interesting one, wouldn't it? See what they got to offer up there. And we have Moosehead Canadian Lager. Quite an interesting looking bottle on there with a nice moose. What percent is that one? It ain't like a light beer or something, is it? 5%? No, it's not. Might be nice. We have Zott. Bottle of Zott. Looks very interesting. 6% ABV, that one. A lot of these beers I don't know much about off the top of my head, so I'll have to go through it when I review them. Oh, I've got another bottle of that Brewery Koingshof Pills. Must have accidentally ordered 2 of them. Never mind, I'm sure I'll find a way to get it down me. We have Celebrator Doppelbock Eyinger, 6.7% ABV. You have to murder me for butchering these names. But I'm literally not looking it up, how to say it or anything like that. I'm just opening the box and trying to go through this quickly. Meteor Lager, it's a French lager by the looks of it. 4.5% ABV. Oh, these are all new to me as well. I've not tried any of these, I don't think. Dab Dortmunder Export, nice German lager. Only can that one. What percent is that? 5% ABV. Got another German lager, ain't ya? Well, let's go to it. Oh, look at that. That's an interesting looking one, that one, isn't it? That's a bottle of Viru Premium Beer of Estonia. Very unique bottle, very nice that. Might have to pop a candle in that one or something. And we have Meteor Pills. Did I already have one of them? Sounds similar to that French one I picked up a minute ago. Might be the same thing. 5% ABV, or it might not. A couple more. Lindemann's Faro Lambic Beer. Looks more like a little bottle of champagne or something, that one. 4.5% ABV. Very premium looking though, gotta say. Oh, beer. And we've got a bottle of Erval Trappist beer. It is 6.2% ABV. Here we go, look at that one. It's definitely beer monster o'clock in my house, isn't it? And that, oh man, there's still more in it. Yeah. Astra Raquette, 5.9%. Citrus and vodka beer. That'll be interesting, wouldn't it? Probably go one way or the other, that one. We have Double Dragon Ale. It's a Welsh craft ale by the looks of it. I assume it's Welsh, the old dragon thing. And that is that box done. Empty it. Nicely packaged, as you can see. Get the hell out of here. Let's go on to the next one. Right, what did I do with my knife? Oh no. Oh no. My knife is buried amongst this beer somewhere. Oh, it's alright, I'll use this crack open, the old bottle opener, got a sharp bit on the end. So we'll get in this box. Oh, this one's full as well. Happy days. We have a bottle of Rothorse Pills or something like that. Funky looking bottle, this one. There we go, look at that. Very nice, interesting looking bottle. 5.1% ABV, that one. It's got to be German, isn't it? This is a lot of beer. Paulaner Weiss beer. This is one of the crystal ones again. I love the original Paulaner, so yeah, I thought I had to try the crystal one. 5.2% ABV, that one. Is that weaker than the other one? I thought the other one was stronger. We have Krombacher Dark beer. Never tried that again. I've not tried none of these beers. 4.7% ABV. Very nice looking beer again. I'm gonna love reviewing these. We have Paulaner München Hefe Weissbier Dunkel. Bit of a tongue twister, that one. Oh yes. Happy days. What else we got? We have Fern and Taris Weissbier, another Weissbier. 5.4% ABV. Lovely jubbly. Just need to get a better Weissbier glass. I've only got a Blue Moon one. I did try to get one with this order, but they all sold out. And we have Schofferhofer Hefeweizen, imported from Germany. That is 5% ABV. A lovely little orange bottle there. Now that is a lot of beer. Should keep me going for a while, review-wise.